You may often experience this in your kitchen. When you hold a big pan or both of your hands are full of grease, then you can't find any way to turn the water on or off. A touch-activated kitchen faucet may solve this problem. It is quite convenient. All you need to do is touch the spout of the faucet with your forearm or wrist, or gently touch it with the back of your hand. A touch kitchen faucet is more time and energy saving and helps lower the water bill every month. More importantly, it is hygienic and helps reduce the spread of germs and grime. But which touch kitchen faucet is worth your investment? That is Clatteran's Touch-On Kitchen Faucet. It operates by a simple touch by using your wrist, forearm or the back of your hand to start or stop the flow of water. It has 3 water flow modes. It is water-saving, easy to install and low maintenance.